Wanna learn English grammar? Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hello everyone, today we are going to look at the difference between transitive and intransitive verbs. If we look about transitive and transfer, they both start with a prefix trans that means across or beyond. Let's see these two sentences and try to compare between them. Sentence number 1, the batter hit the ball. Sentence number 2, the bird sang. They both have a different structure. On sentence number 1, we have the subject, we have the verb, and we have the object. But on sentence number 2, we have the subject, or we can say the doer, and we have just a verb. So notice that the first sentence has two words following the verb hit. The second sentence doesn't have words after the verb sang. So in sentence number 2, we have an object. Let's see to understand more what is the difference between transitive and intransitive verb. Transitive verb is a verb that is followed by a direct object that is receiving the action of the verb. In other words, the action is done to someone or something. Actually, most verbs are transitive. We are going to look at sentences. For example, he baked some cookies. She rode the bike. They ate ice cream. Now we will take a look at intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs don't have an object. They follows the verb. Usually you can ask yourself who or what after repeating the verb, and the answer will be the object. However, if there is no answer to the question who or what, that means there is no object, so means it is a transitive verb. So here's some examples. I fell, he laughed, the sun set, I cried. So in a brief, we can say transitive verbs followed by an object. Intransitive verbs doesn't have an object. On this practice, I want you to pause the video and try to find these sentences if it has transitive verb or intransitive verb. For transitive, you have to write T, and for intransitive, you have to write I. Pause the video and try to answer this practice. That's all for this video, and see you on the next one.